Concealed carry shouldn't be uncomfortable. After 10 years of carrying a gun every day, I finally found what works. In this video, I'm gonna give you 3 simple steps to comfortably carry a gun every day. Let's do it. What is up, guys? Will Workman here with Workman Protection, here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. Let's get right into these 3 steps to carry a gun every day comfortably. Be sure to stick around to the end because the last one is one that most people don't know about. The first step is the right belt. Now, this is incredibly important to have a quality concealed carry belt. If you just use a flimsy leather belt, it will not be nearly as comfortable or concealable. You want to have a belt that is sturdy so that it disperses the weight and the shape of your gun. This will help make your gun and holster look less squared, and it will also keep your holster from digging into your body so much. To get a quality concealed carry belt, you're gonna have to pay a little bit more, but it's definitely worth it. Next is the holster. You need a quality Kydex holster that follows the 4 rules of holster safety. I'll link those in the description down below. If you buy a cheap holster like an Uncle Mike's or some kind of cloth holster, you could easily shoot yourself. Just don't.
God, please, no! No!
You also need to decide if you're gonna carry in the strong side position or the appendix position. There's pros and cons to both, but I recommend the appendix carry position. The one that I carry every day is from Eclipse Holsters, the sponsor of today's video. Eclipse Holsters has been a longtime sponsor of the channel, and I have been to their factory and seen their process firsthand. They care so much about the quality of every holster that they make. There are other holster companies that make good, safe holsters, but none that sell crazy custom holsters that ship in 3 days or less. The third step to carry comfortably is a holster wedge. If you carry in the appendix position, this is a game changer. A holster wedge is a small piece of foam that goes between your holster and your body. A wedge improves your concealment by tucking the grip in towards your body, and it reduces pressure points by giving you a cushion, and it makes it so much more comfortable. Feels like a cloud.
Hey guys, how's it going?
There's several companies that make decent holster wedges like Filster and KSG Armory, but honestly my favorite is just a homemade wedge made from a Walmart yoga block. Keep it simple. I've got a full video on how to make one of those yourself. Check that one out after this one. It's important to experiment and find the best setup for you, but this is what works for me to carry comfortably every day. If you found this helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more tips. And let me know what your favorite carry setup is in the comments. Until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.